Okay, so this is Mackenzie Lewis's Enhancement 1 project. This is my template that I have in here, so you can see the navigation. And then we'll go to the home. So that's what it looks like in desktop view. And then that's what it switches into for like mobile devices. And then we'll just hurry and, oops, validate the HTML. All right, and there's no warnings there. So yeah, that's my site, and then I guess we can show the responsiveness for the template. I don't know if that was required, but we'll just do that real quick. So there's that. And so yeah, that's my PHP Enhancement 1 project.